Hello, children. This is T. Mahalakshmi from Trinity Academy Metric Higher Secondary School. Term 3, Class 4, Subject Social, Lesson 2. Today, we are going to discuss an interesting topic, our industries. Modern life has become very convenient and comfortable for men. Thanks to the different things man has invented over the years, food can be preserved for a long period of time in refrigerators and freezers. Air conditioners and heaters keeps us comfortable in summers and winters respectively. We can connect to our friends and family across the globe in a jiffy. Can you think how is this possible? Yes, all this is possible only through gadgets made in industries. For this, we need raw materials. We get raw materials through resources. Nature provides the resources that fulfills most of our needs. Many of these resources cannot be used directly. Can we use wheat, cotton, tea leaves, logs? No, we cannot. This is because they are raw materials. Children, what is mean by raw material? The material we need for making finished goods are called raw materials. I repeat, the material we need for making finished goods are called raw materials. Raw materials is very important factor for growth of any industry. Raw materials are converted into finished goods in industries. Now, what is mean by industry? The process of making a particular product using machines in a factory is called an industry. The process of making a particular product using machines in a factory is called an industry. Raw materials, machines, power supply, human labor, money, and transport are some things needed to set up an industry. Now we can see the types of industries. On the basis of size, industries are of three types. First one is cottage industries, second one is small scale industries, and third one is large scale industries. First, we can see cottage industries. Cottage industries. Cottage industries are set up by people in their own homes. A few people work with simple tools and use raw materials available nearby. Some such industries are weaving cloth, extracting oil, grinding flour, making toys, baskets, and leather goods. Weaving clothes on handloom is a cottage industry. Next, we can see small scale industries. Small scale industries employ a few workers and use small machines. People work in a small factory. They make utensils, garments, hosiery items, electrical and plastic goods. Large scale industries. Large scale industries employ thousands of workers. A large number of goods are produced on big machines. Highly trained workers are needed. Large scale industries include textile mills, iron and steel plants, oil refineries, chemical plants, and factories manufacturing automobile and railway equipments. Large scale industries are generally located in areas where raw materials and power are easily available. Most of them are located in or near big cities. Shipbuilding is a large scale industry. Now we can see some major industries in India. Cotton textile. India is one of the world's leading producer of cotton textiles. The cotton mills are mainly located around Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore and Varanasi. Silk textile. It is another important industry. The silk mills are located at Bengaluru, that is in Karnataka, Kanjipuram, Tamil Nadu, Murshidabad, West Bengal, Bhagalpur in Bihar. Next, we can see woolen textile. These mills are located in Srinagar, that is in Jammu and Kashmir, Ludhiana, Punjab, Amritsar, Punjab, Panipat in Haryana. Iron and steel industries. Iron and steel industries are the basic industries as they provide a base to other industries in the form of machinery. It is a heavy industry because raw materials used in manufacturing are coal, iron ore, and bauxite. Iron and steel industries are mainly located in Jamshedpur, that is in Jharkhand, Rourkela, Odisha, Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, and Salem in Tamil Nadu. Jute mills. Jute mills are located in Rishra in West Bengal, Gaya, Bihar, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh, and Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. Next, we can see sugar mills. India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world. Ahmednagar, Maharashtra, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, Belagavi, Karnataka are the main centers. This is because these are sugarcane producing places of India and sugarcane is the raw material required in sugar industries. Railway equipment. Industries that manufacture railway equipment are located in Chittaranjan, West Bengal, Kapurthala, Punjab, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, and Perambur in Tamil Nadu. Automobile. Automobiles are made in automobile factories located in Gurugram, that is in Haryana, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, Pune, Maharashtra, and Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Electronic goods. Electronic goods are manufactured in factories located in Bengaluru, Karnataka, Panchakula, that is in Haryana, Mumbai, Maharashtra, and Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Shipbuilding. Shipyards are located in Vishakhapatnam, that is in Andhra Pradesh, Kochi, Kerala, Marmagoa, that is in Goa, and Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, we can see aircraft manufacturing. All aeroplanes are made in factories that are owned by the government of India. These factories are located in Bengaluru, that is in Karnataka, Nasik, Maharashtra, Hyderabad, Telangana, and Karaput, that is in Odisha. Many industries are being set up in India. It is rapidly become an industrialized nation. Industrialization is very important for the progress of a country. Other important industries that have been set up in India are cement, fertilizer, paper, machinery, and chemicals. Now we can see a short recap of this lesson. Raw materials need to be converted into finished goods before they can be used. To set up an industry, raw material, machines, power supply, labor, money, and transport are needed. Based on size, there are cottage, small scale, and large scale industries. Cottage industries use simple tools and locally available raw materials. Small scale industries use small machines. Work is done in a small factory. Large scale industries need trained workers and big machines. Textile mills, iron and steel plant, automobiles, electronic goods, shipbuilding, aircraft manufacturing, cement, and fertilizer are some large scale industries in India. Children, hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you.